suddenly transforms and crashes into Earth, can humanity's current level of technology stop it? Since NASA's Atlas telescope discovered Tri-Love Atlas in early July 2025, it has been speeding into the solar system at 58 kilometers per second, with an orbital eccentricity of 6.14. It's unaffected by the sun's gravity. This led to speculation that it might be an alien spacecraft. However, recent data confirms Tri-Love Atlas is not from an intelligent civilization, but a real interstellar asteroid. As it nears its perihelion, it will be just 240 million kilometers from Earth. This led global telescopes to focus on this interstellar visitor to uncover its true nature. If it suddenly changes course towards Earth, could we survive? Tri-Love Atlas has a diameter of about 20 kilometers and a mass of at least 33 billion tons. It's twice the size and mass of the asteroid that caused the dinosaurs' extinction 65 million years ago. Scientists estimate its kinetic energy is 15 times that of the catastrophic event, equal to the power of 500 million Hiroshima atomic bombs exploding at once.
If it collided with Earth, at impact, all life within 100 kilometers would be vaporized by the heat, and no life would survive within a 500-kilometer radius. It would also create a huge crater, 300 kilometers wide and 50 kilometers deep. The energy from the impact would penetrate the Earth's crust, causing a global magnitude 12 super earthquake. Every corner of the Earth would be plunged into chaos, with all cities reduced to ruins. If it unfortunately crashes into the ocean, the scene would be even more terrifying, as it would trigger a massive tsunami 4 kilometers high, rapidly sweeping across global coastlines. Within just 24 hours, all coastal cities would be completely wiped out, and the true apocalypse would be the ensuing environmental changes. The impact would throw trillions of tons of dust into the stratosphere, like a giant black curtain blocking over 90% of sunlight. The global average temperature would plummet to -20 degrees, and the entire Earth would enter an impact winter. Most land plants would gradually wither due to the inability to photosynthesize, and marine phytoplankton would also die in large numbers, completely disrupting the food chain. As oxygen levels gradually decrease, all life, whether on land or in the ocean, would face extinction, and human civilization would be completely erased. The Earth's ecosystem would undergo a complete reset. Fortunately, scientists have determined through high-precision orbital calculations that the asteroid Atlas will never collide with Earth. It is merely making a brief visit to the solar system. It is precisely because such cosmic threats have never disappeared that a global asteroid defense system has been established. NASA's Near-Earth Object Monitoring Program has precisely tracked tens of thousands of potentially dangerous asteroids, calculating real-time orbital changes and assessing threats for each object approaching Earth. China also launched its asteroid defense program in 2022. Meanwhile, Russia, Japan, and European countries are also planning similar initiatives. A global defense network is taking shape, and in 2022, NASA successfully used a high-speed spacecraft to impact an asteroid, causing it to deviate from its path, thereby proving that we are not entirely helpless in the face of extraterrestrial threats. Although facing massive celestial bodies like the Tri-Love Atlas, humanity's current technological level is insufficient for complete defense. However, the existence of such potential threats has allowed us to take an unprecedented step in the history of civilization. Perhaps in the future, even if Earth truly encounters extraterrestrial threats, whether from asteroids or unknown alien civilizations, humanity will surely unite to protect our home and continue the sole flame of civilization in the universe.